Okay, welcome to the POV, point of view, lessons, stories for Walden. Same story, different points of view. The first point of view starts with, since she was 16. Since she was 16 years old. Since she was 16 years old, Inca has wanted to build a beautiful castle. She has wanted to build a beautiful castle, starting when she was 16 until recently. Since she was 16, Inca has wanted to build a big, wonderful, beautiful castle. She has dreamed of living in the castle like a princess by herself. Who has dreamed of living in a castle by herself like a princess? Inca has dreamed of living in a castle by herself like a princess. What has she dreamed? Well, since she was 16, she has dreamed of living in a castle like a princess by herself. She has dreamed about this every day. Since she was 16, she has dreamed about being in a beautiful castle. She has dreamed about living like a princess. Every day she has dreamed about this. When she was 17, she dreamed about it. When she was 18, 19, 20, 21. Continuing, starting when she was 16 and continuing. She has dreamed and dreamed and dreamed. Well, one day, she decided to advance towards her dream. She decided to take action. And so she did. She advanced towards her dream. In fact, she endeavored to build a castle out of diamonds. She tried to build the diamond castle. But it was too difficult. Diamonds are very expensive, and big diamonds are very heavy. And so she stopped. Next, she asked her friends for help. She established a team of builders to help her build the castle. Every day, they worked on the castle. But they didn't build a diamond castle. They built a huge castle out of gum. But that's not all. The foundation of the castle was made of spaghetti. They built a gum castle with a spaghetti foundation. Eventually, they finished the castle. And they all lived together in the castle, Inca and her friends. In fact, they lived happily ever after. Okay, that's the end of our first point of view story. Let's next go to the future, back to the future. Are you ready? So now I have this idea, a story that will happen in the future. Hasn't happened yet. It's going to happen in the future. So there will be a woman named Inca. Inca's gonna want to build a castle. A huge, beautiful castle. She'll want to live in this castle like a princess. In fact, her dream will be to live in a castle like a princess by herself. That's going to be her dream. One day, she'll advance towards her dream. She will take action. First, she's going to endeavor to build a castle out of diamonds. She'll try to build a castle out of diamonds. But there will be a problem. Diamonds will be too expensive. Of course, diamonds are too expensive. They're very expensive. And diamonds, big diamonds, are very heavy. So, she'll stop trying to build a diamond castle. Next, she'll ask her friends for help. She'll establish a team of builders. They're going to work every day building the castle. Every day they'll go to work. Every day they'll work and work and work to build the castle. But they won't build a normal castle. They won't build a diamond castle. They'll build a castle out of gum. They're gonna build a huge, giant, super big gum castle. But that's not all. They'll build a spaghetti foundation under the castle. The castle will have a spaghetti foundation. It'll be a gum castle with a spaghetti foundation. Now, when they finish, Inca won't live alone in the castle. No. She's going to invite all her friends to live with her. And they will. They'll all live happily ever after in the gum castle with the spaghetti foundation. All right, that is the end of the point of view story. I hope you're smiling. I hope you're moving and breathing and standing tall. I will see you next time. This is AJ. Bye-bye.